All right.
All right, Counselor, what is your client's name? One of the retained matters.
Good morning, Judge. My client's name is Nolan Lesky.
Spell the last name for me.
Yes, L is in Larry, E, S is in Sam, K, Y is in yellow.
Hey, may I interrupt, please? Did you call Jason Landrum?
I got Jason Landrum. I have you already. Good morning to
Do
you.
you have Tia Grant?
All right, don't ask me, do I have you? If I don't call you, I got you, Miss Grant. If I don't say anything to you, then I've taken you down in the order that you came in. We're gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in, all right? The best way I can.
Just FYI, everyone in the room, if your device is named with your name, we see you and you're checked in.
And as it stands now, you need to leave your name as it is. Don't change it because I wrote it down as that. And if you change it, it'll kind of confuse things. So if I need to get some more information, I'll find out, like that phone on the 770 number. I have you down. I'll get your name in a minute. All right, let's start going.
All right.
This is the city of Detroit versus Nolan Lesky, case number SP 137-39591. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. My name is Matt Savage and I represent Nolan Lesky.
All right. So Mr. Lesky, state your name for the record, please.
Nolan Gregory Lesky.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. This is the no reduced plea on this one, and so you're gonna have to talk to the city attorney or write a deviation request if you want to get any lower. I can set a trial date and we can get it done on that way, whatever your pleasure is, Counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Judge, we're gonna ask the court to set it for a bench trial. I'm guessing the city attorney would probably waive jury trial.
Yeah, they will. July the 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m. is the trial date. You don't have anything further. You have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
May I just confirm, so it's July 7th?
Yes, at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Have a better one, thank you.
27th,
Or you need your P number.
Oh, 51264.
Thank you.
You're
Sorry
welcome.
about that, Mr. Williams.
I'll put it in next time, Judge.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye now.
City of Detroit versus Jason Duran Landrum, case number SP 1445205, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Wordling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Landrum, can you state your name for the record, please? Jason Landrum, now it's your turn to talk and you don't want to talk.
Oh, my bad. My mic was off. Jason Landrum.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Your offer is pleading to the reduced, well, I call it a non-offer, reduction of open intoxicated motor vehicle passenger. Dismiss the other 2 cases. That'll be a 2-point offense. It won't abstract to the secretary. It will abstract to the Secretary of State. It'll be an alcohol. Take your hat off, please. It'll be an alcohol-related offense on your record, and it'll be 2 points and a $240 fine. You two have an absolute right to a trial. I can put you in a breakout room, Mr. Warbling, if you choose. Join the room. Speak to him, Mr. Warbling.
Yes, I will. Thank you, Judge.
Oh, the fuck is my shit?
All right, join the room, please.
I pay it.
You didn't even talk to the lawyer. You don't want to talk to the lawyer? He's waiting in the breakout room with you. For you.
I'm trying. Can you send me back to the what you call it room? Because I don't know how this gonna go. I'm trying, but my phone.
You should be able to tap your screen and it'll show up, breakout room 2.
Okay, all right, all right.
It's the city of Detroit. Versus Lynette Shante Glasper. Lynette Shante Glasper, case number SP 139-08671.
Morning.
Please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578, on behalf of Ms. Glasper. State your name for the record, please.
Lynette Shante Glasper.
Okay, today is the good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Ms. Glasper, your offer is not going to be any reduction. It's going to be a 12-month delayed sentence, and it's going to be a $240 fine, and you're going to need to take a firearm safety course. You two have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. You can speak to her about it, all right?
Okay.
Your Honor, may I have a copy of that ticket, please?
You know, I can get you a copy, but it doesn't say anything but the discharge of a firearm. No comments or anything.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Clements, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Mr. George this morning.
George makes it 2 days in a row.
Yes, sir.
What's the last first name?
Andy.
Eddie George?
Andrew,
Oh,
like.
Andy George.
Yeah.
I was saying, I know you represent some celebrities, but I didn't know I had Eddie George on my docket.
No running backs today, Judge.
All right. Hey, I don't know, Mr. George might have been a running back in his day.
Entertainment of a different style, more so music than football.
Oh, very well. Different celebrity. I don't see Andy George on my docket for some reason. Let's see, it's George and AN, what's the first name?
ANDY. Yep.
Oh, and he's not supposed to be here till the city of Detroit. And just give me the summary, please. Versus Andy, is that DeAndre George? Case number U652400622. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor. My name is Adam Clements, P number 77233, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. George. Sir, would you state your name for the record, please?
Andy George, right here.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date time set. Let's call it set for arraignment. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, as to the arraignment of the information, we'd waive the formal reading, ask that Mr. George be allowed to stand mute and enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf, or requesting a bench trial in this matter, Your Honor.
All right, enter a not guilty plea of your client. Give your client a $0 bond. Trial date, July 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m. If that comports with your schedule, counsel.
No problem, Judge. The 7th is perfect.
All right, have a great day. Good luck to you both, and I'll see you later.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
My name is Alexander Shannon.
Yes.
Are you here as a defendant, ma'am? Your left?
Yes, I am.
Oh, that's Gillespie Shannon. Who's your client?
Shante Green.
Is she on Zoom?
They told me that she was up without call.
I'll see. Is Shante Green there?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. The lawyer is here.
Well, good morning.
That it would be, this is, Schneider.
Mrs. Snyder.
She's not here. She's over at Frank Murphy. They're running low. Maybe you can talk to Dante Goss.
Yeah, take those. Okay, I just saw it. I'll be right back. Your Honor.
You gonna be back? Okay. All right. Let's go call the city of Detroit versus Shannon Gillespie Alexander. Case number B12342-522, B12442-622, B12442-722, B12442-822, B12442-9, and B12443-022. Appearance for the record, please. Is there a lawyer here?
Oh, did you ever ask Sergeant Smith that question? What she
Do we have
said?
a lawyer in the room? I need you to be quiet, please. Do we have a lawyer here?
What?
Right. Let's pass the matter right for momentarily. What about these dogs, ma'am? Do you have, well, your offer is going to be pleading to 2 counts of dog, 1 count of dog at large, 1 count of dog nuisance, 12-month delayed sentence, $240 fine for each count. I'm going to wait on the lawyer and then they can explain what's going on to you. All right. All right. Let's take the inventory of who's here while we're waiting on a lawyer. I have an iPhone, my iPhone 2. Who's the person that's listed as my iPhone 2?
Alexander Gar.
Gentlemen, no, that's Alexander. You're Alexander who?
Gully.
All right, Gully. That would be on my on iPhone 2. Let's get that name now.
I just renamed Alexander Gully.
You did?
Yes.
All right, let me stop. And then my iPhone 2. Marlon the gentleman in the car. Yes, you, sir. What's your name?
Marlon Gars.
Marlon
Gars.
Gars?
G-A-R. Yes, sir.
G-A-R?
Yeah, N-E-S.
N-E-S. You got that?
Yes, Your Honor, I got it.
I didn't see a change.
There you go.
There we go. All right, now we have an iPhone down there. Let's see, the gentleman with his hand on his mouth in the black shirt.
Marnez
Yes.
Wortman.
Wortman?
Wortman, yeah.
Yeah, I see. All right, good morning to all. Good morning to everybody. I'm gonna make sure I say that.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning to you, sir.
Very well. I think that's all we really need to name right now. Now we have them back out of the breakout rooms. All right, let's move on to, let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Jason Landrum. Jason Landrum, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, he wants to continue his not guilty pleas, requesting a trial day.
I thought that might change after he got some good advice. That's what you want to do, Mr. Landrum?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because he said he just wanted to plead guilty. July the 7th, 2023. At 9 a.m., July the 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Yes, sir.
Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. Mr. Warbling,
You as well.
speak with
Thank you, Your Honor.
speak with Mrs. Gillespie Alexander in a breakout room. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 counts of dog, 3 at large, 3 nuisance. Her offer is pleading to 2 and dismissing the rest. And she will also be a delayed sentence, 12 months. She also has absolute right to a trial, all right, $240.
So the
Join
two she would be
Gillespie.
pleading to would be delayed, Your Honor.
Say that again.
The two that if she would plead to the two, those would both be under a delayed sentence.
Delayed sentence, yes.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Let's go.
And
All
you-
right, let's go.
I'm not finding Garns. Did you locate Garns?
I didn't see. Let's see what he looks. Let's see. Let's look it up on the system right quick. So he's not sitting here because he's one of the last ones. Garns. And his name is Marlon Garns. No, he's actually.
You see it?
Let me see. He was supposed to be here on the 27th. Jarrell. He was supposed to be on the 27th. And then July 3rd. We'll take care of him. We'll just give him a ring and get him another date. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Glasper. Ms. Glasper, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would like to ask that this pretrial date be adjourned and my client be appointed counsel.
Can we get a need appointment?
And I did put her telephone number in the chat
I
box
see.
to you. Okay.
Thank you so much. That's what you want to do, Ms. Glasper?
Yes.
Okay. Can you're gonna need when it comes. I'll work on this. Yeah. All right.
Next court.
Yes, for the next court date. I got your phone number, ma'am. Your next court date is gonna be June the 12th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Okay.
And that's gonna be that's gonna do, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you answer your calls that you may not recognize, because we're gonna appoint a counsel for you, and it's likely one of those calls will likely be the appointed counsel. I know nobody likes to answer those calls anymore that
Okay.
they don't recognize, but one of those counsels is gonna calls will likely be an appointed counsel, all right?
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
All right, if you don't have anything further, we'll see you back on June 12th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Sarah Lavanos, case number SP 1411129, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of the client. State your name for the record, please. Unmute and say your name, please. Ms. Lavanos, please unmute your device and say your name.
Sarah Lavanis.
All right, today is the date time set for pretrial. She's got the allowing. I don't know whether she wants a trial or not. You plead guilty as charged, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment. Does not abstract to the Secretary of State. It is a misdemeanor, but I'll dismiss it upon payment, dismiss the other matter now. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield to speak with her about it. If she wants to take the deal, please read her advice or rights.
Okay.
All right, let's pass that matter. Ready for the next one.
Did we lose Erblin and
No,
get,
they're in the break. They're just in the breakout room.
okay. We have 3.
I'm back, Judge.
Mr. Berry, good morning to you. Do we have 3 lawyers today?
No, Your Honor.
We need you.
Your Honor, it's always a joy to be here, Your Honor, but I'm here as to Detroit versus Marvin Green. This was a date we were to return. It's still a situation where I don't have as yet the discovery. I've spoken to Ms. Snyder, and we seek an extension.
Okay, we'll deal with it in a moment. She's backed up. Let's go back on the record with Gillespie Alexander. Ms. Alexander, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we did have an at-length discussion. She wants to continue her not guilty plea, requesting a trial before Your Honor.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Ms. Gillespie?
Yes.
That'll be a quick day today. We keep getting these trials set. July the 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. I'll see you back on that day. With the best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Is this Willie Desmond Lewis?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Willie Desmond Lewis, case number SP 1365327, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh.
And Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, Mr. Lewis, please.
Willie Lewis.
Date and time set for arraignment on the bench. Mark, go ahead, counselor.
Judge, we'll say mute and wait formal reading for purposes of the arraignment.
Enter now guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Do you have valid insurance for this vehicle, Mr. Lewis?
Yes.
Can you show the court that? You're gonna have to turn your background off in order for us to see it.
Can I do what now?
Can you show the court the insurance paper proving that you have valid insurance?
Yeah. Yeah, I can. I just gotta log into my app.
You want me to I'll put my email address in the chat. That way you can email it to me, and once I get it, I'll offer your client a blocking traffic for this disregarding a red signal, $175. That's a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it does not carry any points. It's a civil infraction. So it's almost akin, I call it, to an expensive parking ticket. I'll put my email address in the chat. We'll pass the matter until you can get that documentation to me, and we'll call your case.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Marlon Jarrell Garnes. Case number SP 100-26741. Hold on a second. Marlon Jarrell Garnes. Case numbers. Well, that one case should be closed out. So we'll close that first case I just called out. Let's move down to SP 112029, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 112029, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11-42847, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11-42979, count 1. SP 1320097, count 1, counts 2. SP 1346592, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1440471. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warren Wayne P 64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, state your name for the record, please, Mr. Garnes.
Marlon Garnes.
Date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Judge, we'll stand mute and waive formal reading at this time, Your Honor.
All right, willing or not guilty plea in client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He can either go straight to trial or a pretrial on this. We don't have a file here, so I can't give him an offer. What do you want to do, Mr. Garnes?
I was only told I had one ticket to come in here for, so all these case numbers you just named, I have no idea what they are.
Well, you want me to read them all off to you? They're all under your name. I'm treating it as a one-stop shop. So everything that you have, we want to clear it up in these, instead of you keep on coming back and forth.
Okay.
How does that sound?
That's fine.
Yeah, so you either want to go to trial on them, or you either just want to set a pretrial. It's up to you.
I go to trial on.
All right, trial date, that's the last trial. We need another July 7th. Trial date is going to be July 7th, 2023, 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, sir.
One of them matters.
Zoom
All
court
right.
also, or
Pardon me?
would that be Zoom court also, or would I have to
That's
appear?
going to be Zoom also, yes.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too.
Sharda's iPhone.
Yes, good morning, Judge.
Good morning. You were here yesterday?
Yes.
You like it in here, huh?
No, I'm actually sleepy. I work midnights.
So what brings you back today?
Oh, I wasn't on Zoom yesterday. I called in, so you told me to call in and show my insurance and my registration.
What's your last name?
Green.
With an E on the end of it?
No E, just an N.
You might need to shut their radio off.
No, Ms. Green, we, for this expired plate, right?
Yes,
So that's-
expired plate and no insurance.
I mean. All right, let's move on. Let's call the city of Detroit. You got the $145? Let's see the insurance, please. I don't see her. Okay. I didn't see her.
Can you see it, Judge?
Not yet. Hold on a second. Hold on, just right there, just leave it right there. Very well. Can I get that? All right, City of Detroit versus Sharda Green. No, she's not, she was here yesterday. Sharda Green, case number SP 1423429, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Green, I'm gonna offer you the expired plate ticket, dismiss the other one for the insurance. $145.
Okay.
All right, you want to take the deal now?
Yes.
All right. When can you pay it?
I can come Monday.
And I'm gonna give you till Friday next week, all right?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, and then he did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it. If it's nothing further, Ms. Green, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You have a good day too.
You too. All
What was
right,
the
let's
date?
go back on the record.
Your Honor, the pay by
Pardon
date is next Friday, or what was the date?
Yeah, 5/5.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Lavanos. Ms. Lavanos, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the plea recommendation. She will need 90 days to pay.
I don't understand the logic in that. When she could get a trial date in less than 90 days, and it'll buy her some more time if she was found guilty, but I'll do whatever she wants to do. Is her case.
Yeah, she's currently
That's what you wanna
unemployed.
do? That's what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes, because I'm currently unemployed right now.
Did you take any advice from the lawyer? I guess I don't know what the conversation was, but I can only imagine that.
She said that $240 and then trial day. I'm not for sure. Like I really don't understand.
You don't, so say that then.
We can go back in the breakout. We can go back in the breakout room.
Go back in the breakout room, ma'am. Get some better understanding. Don't just. All right.
Okay.
All right. All right, I'm still waiting on your stuff, Mr. Lewis. I haven't gotten it yet. As soon as I see that mail come through, we'll get you out of here. Unless you can put up a copy of it. Mr. Larry, Maurice Larry.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
All right, it's MAURICE?
Yes, sir.
LARRY?
I don't know what happened.
City of Detroit. Everybody's got a gun, don't they? Everybody got a gun. City of Detroit versus Maurice Cardell Larry.
What?
Case number SP 140873661, SP 1371144, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record.
I'm not in the break room. I'm just confused. I'm mad.
Ben Warbling on behalf of Mr. Larry, Your Honor.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Larry.
Maurice Larry.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Your offer is pleading guilty as charged, 12-month delayed sentence, and $240 fine, and also a firearm safety course. You have an absolute right to a trial. Speak to Mr. Larry in a breakout room. Mr. Warbling, did he leave? Speak to Mr. Larry in the breakout room, see what he wants to do, okay? We'll dismiss the other two civil infractions. What's your client's name, Mr.
Green, right?
Good morning, Mr. Green.
Good morning. I'm just trying to get it adjournment. I wanted to talk to the prosecutor.
What, an extra E or just?
I think it has, yeah.
Green, what's your first name?
Shante, SHONTAE.
City of Detroit versus Shantae Marie Green, case number SP 129-4482, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 138-4047, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ivan Land, P65879, appear on behalf of Ms. Green, who's present on the screen.
How many files does she have? Ms. Green, can you state your name for the record, please?
Shantae Marie Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. What I'll do is I will allow your client to pay this $45 reinstatement fee up front on SP 138-40472. I don't know if she's ever had a driver's license before, but that would allow her clearances here and potentially be able to come back with a valid license. Okay. Get her a better offer.
Okay.
You understand that, Ms. Green?
Yes.
All right, did I give you that opportunity before?
Yes.
And you didn't do it. As a matter of fact, you let it go. It went, I don't know why it went default. She must have missed a court date. No, she didn't. I don't know why that went into default. But she didn't have to do it before. Now she's got to do it.
So her exact homework, Your Honor, is just pay the $45.
Pay the $45 reinstatement fee.
And she would pay that here?
Pay that here at the window. She's got to come down to the window.
Okay.
We're gonna put it as in the computer as that. What do you want, pretrial?
Yes, please. I want to speak to the prosecutor.
June 12th, 2023 at 8:30. All right. June 12th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. All right.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Green, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Always a pleasure. Thank you.
We're waiting on. Now, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lavanos. Ms. Lavanos, now, what do you want to do, ma'am? You still want to take the deal?
No, we're gonna do, I think it's a trial.
Okay, very well now. Trial date, July the 10th, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yeah, 9 a.m.
2023, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, come on back. On that date, we'll that'll give you some time if you find guilty to get that money up, right?
Right.
All right, if there's nothing further. If you're not found guilty, then you can keep that money and go get yourself something nice.
Yeah, today is my birthday. I wasn't trying to spend no $240.
Oh, happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
All right, you have a blessed day.
You too. All right, let's move on to Gilmore. Andrew.
Yes, Your Honor.
Andrew Stephen Gilmore.
Yes.
You have a valid license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Run his license, please. You have valid insurance, sir?
I do not currently.
All right, well, you want to get some insurance and come on back?
Sure.
City of Detroit versus Andrew Gilmore, case number SP 1136605, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. We don't have to run it now. We can just
Daphne
wait.
Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gilmore. State your name for the record, sir.
It's Andrew Gilmore.
For purpose of arraignment.
Okay, go ahead.
For purpose of arraignment, he's standing muted away from readings, Your Honor.
And a not guilty plea in the client we have, give your client a $0 bond. He said he wants to come back. We'll give him a pretrial date of June the 12th, 2023. And that way you keep that driver's license if it's good. I haven't run it yet. We'll run it on that day and bring me some valid insurance. I'll dismiss the cases, all right?
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You too. Thank you.
All right, let's move on to Little. What are we gonna do? Oh, he's
Oh, Cole, I'm here on behalf of, on Levante Little matter.
Oh, that's not Levante Little, but what's gonna go on with Levante Little? We can get him out of here. Is there been any resolution on that? It's the final pretrial today.
No, I reached out to the attorney and had a offer and she rejected it. So I'm assuming we're gonna have to set a trial date, and that's Miss
Who's the
Robinson.
lawyer?
Sarah Robinson.
Miss Robinson, are you here? I think she's here. I thought she was here.
I can email her and ask her because I do need to go to another courtroom briefly.
Please email her, get that squared away, and then we got to get rid of that case.
I think it's going to be a trial date though, because we've had several discussions. But I will email her right now.
Very well. Thank you. Good morning, APA Cole.
Good morning to you too.
This is City of Detroit versus Zane Alexis Little, case number SP 1445527, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 14455-311. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of the client. State your name for the record.
Janae Little.
Janae Little, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Do you have a valid license, Miss Little?
No, I have a permit.
Runner license, please. We're gonna run the license. Lewis. Where's Lewis? Now, this is the one, let's go off the record. Big's iPhone, he said Liddell. Where's Liddell Biggs? Is he here? All right, her license is valid. Let's go back on the record with Miss Little. Miss Little, I'm gonna give you an offer of blocking traffic, $175, dismissing the other 2 counts, all right? You wanna take the deal? You have an absolute right to a trial as well.
You said.
You get a little stuck,
You said
that 175.
Yeah. What's the 175 for?
For the speeding ticket, I'm amending it to blocking traffic. $175 is no points. The way it stands now is a 3-point offense on your driving record.
Okay, I paid the 175.
Yeah, that gets more clear there, right, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, dismissed 2 counts. When can you pay it, Ms. Little?
I can pay it on Monday.
Monday? I'm gonna give you till Friday to make sure it's in here, all right? I don't want this new driver's license getting messed up. All right, $175 paid at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it, all right?
Okay.
Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you, all right?
You too. Thank you.
I got Mr. Biggs. Where's Biggs' iPhone?
Unmute, sir.
I don't see him on. Yeah, Biggs' iPhone. You say Liddell?
Yes. Say Liddell.
Spell your last name for me, please.
Liddell.
And then your first name?
Sayyid. Sayyid.
SAYYIE.
ID.
Say that
D as in
again.
dog. SAYYID. D as in dog.
City of Detroit versus Saeed Liddell. Case number SB 1374931, counts 1 and 2. And State of Michigan versus Saeed Liddell, case number SX 3845853, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Liddell. State your name for the record.
Saeed Liddell.
Your Honor, is he on the docket?
No, he's not on the docket. He's got the interfering with pedestrian traffic. Pedestrian interfering with traffic as a civil infraction. He's got show cause. He was supposed to be here on the 25th. He's got the show cause for the alcohol related violation. And he's got open intox in a motor vehicle driver. Whether he needs some alcohol treatment or not, I don't know, but that's what the allegations suggest. So I can give him a trial date or a pretrial date. We don't have his file.
What's the name in jail?
Which do you prefer, sir?
The trial. I wasn't even driving. I don't.
Well, that's your defense. Trial 7/10/2023, 9 a.m. July the 7th, 2023, 9 a.m. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. I'll see you back on July the 10th.
Okay, thank you.
What about are we ready on Larry?
We're ready, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Maurice Larry. Mr. Larry, give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we did go over this pretty extensively. He wants to continue his not guilty plea and request a bench trial date, Your Honor. He understands the offer that's been tendered, but that's the way he wants to go.
That's fine. That's what you want to do, Mr. Larry?
Yes, sir.
All right, very well. July the 10th, 2023 at 9 a.m. trial date, all right?
Yes, sir.
And / formal hearing.
Thank you, Judge.
File / formal hearing. If you have valid registration and insurance, you need to bring that on that date as well, too, all right?
I'm sorry?
If you have valid registration and insurance, you need to bring that on that date as well, all right?
Okay, all right.
Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that, Judge.
Is this Light Baker?
This is she.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. Can I get that date again? I was writing something down.
July the 10th, 2023, 9 a.m.
July 10th. 9. Okay, thank you so much.
Have a very good day, sir.
All right, you too.
City of Detroit versus Shaquilla. Did I get that right?
Yes, Shaquilla Light Baker.
Shaquilla Light Baker.
Yes.
Case number B128-79222, B128-79322, B128-79422, B128-79522, B128-79622, B128-79722, B128-79922, B128-0022. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Shaquila Light Baker.
All right, turn your camera on, please.
Okay.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Ms. Baker, let's see. Do you have this dog vaccinated?
Yes, can I first say that I'm not the actual owner of these dogs?
Hold on, go ahead.
I can't hear.
She's not the actual owner, so we need to set a trial date then.
Yes, but I do have the papers that they are vaccinated and licensed, and they get their shots frequently.
All right, who owns the dogs?
His name is James Hill. I just help take care of them.
Well, listen, you know, I can set a trial date anyway, so to sort it out. If you have the vaccination and stuff like that, I'm sure a lot of this will work itself out. But these two failure to restrain a dog, there's no documentation you can give for that. Those are going to be either found guilty or take a plea to it, and we'll give you a 12-month delay, $240 fine. Speak to Mr. Warbling in a breakout room about the situation, and then come back and let us know what you want to do.
Okay.
All right. Odom.
Did you say Odom? O-D-O-M?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I'm here.
That's Tanga.
No, it's pronounced Tajia.
Tajia.
Yes.
Sorry. All right. Do you have a valid license, ma'am?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My children. Can I get like 2 seconds, please?
I'm
gonna close my door.
Who's on the phone at 77? Who's on the phone at 770-896-4909? Press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Hello?
Good morning. What's your name, ma'am?
That's Ricky Grant.
Oh, my name is Ricky Grant. Yes, Ricky Bernard. Yes.
Yeah. I don't know, something's wrong.
Renamed, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
You sure? I think it's going to show in a minute.
All right,
Hello,
be
can you hear me
quiet,
now?
please. City of Detroit versus Ricky Bernardo Grant, case number SP 140-39461. Appearing for the record, please.
I'm sorry. Did I get skipped? Did Tajia Odom get skipped?
Yeah, I'll be right back to you.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Grant. State your name for the record, please.
Ricky Bernard Grant.
All right.
Ricky.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Grant, do you have a valid license?
Yes, it's in the mail.
Here, can you run his license, please?
Hello?
Yeah, hold on. Let me run a license. If it's good, I'll dismiss the case.
Yeah, I got a permit. Well, I need to take a road test. So what that say?
Should be next. Yeah, okay. It's for me.
All right, license is valid. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Yes, what you say?
I'm going to dismiss the case. I got a valid license. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. You too.
All right, let's City of Detroit versus Tangia Donnell Odom. Case numbers SP 107-0870, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1445182, counts 1, 2, and 3. You see these other. SP 109-7292, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Odom. State your name for the record, please.
Tajia Odom.
Today is the date and time set for pre-trials in the matter and arraignment on the warrant on the other matters. Go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, you stand mute and wait for my reading, Your Honor.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Do you have valid? You don't have a valid license, I don't believe. So
No, I do.
I can allow your client to pay this reinstatement fee up front. Have you ever had a valid license now?
Yes, I have a valid license now. I paid for all of that today. I mean, not today. I paid for all of that. I got my tags. I can
almost bet she doesn't have a valid license. But again,
so, can I
be wrong.
explain, please?
What do you have to explain?
This paper right here that I received in the mail.
It says your license is valid?
Yes, it says on this date, the Michigan Department of State certifies that the person named above did pay all fees and penalties related to the violation of fees. It said retain this notice in your vehicle for at least 21 days in case you are detained by law enforcement personnel. And when I just
I didn't hear anywhere in that it said your license was valid. Nowhere. License is suspended. I'll allow her to pay reinstatement fee up front on the, write this note on there, on that notepad, on that piece of paper, ma'am. You got a pen?
No, I'm getting one now.
She's mad at me now. I don't know why you're mad at me.
I'm good. I'm not mad at you. I was just trying to explain the situation that I've been having. Like, I don't understand why I still.
I'll let you explain. You know something? You say you're not mad, but the facial expression, you were mad.
This is not understanding face. Like, I don't understand. But okay.
Okay.
I'm not trying to.
I'll put you in a breakout room with a very, very, very good lawyer, and she can and shine some light on it for you. But in the meantime, write this case number down, please.
Okay.
SP 109-72922. That's SP 109-72922. Those, you need to come down to the courthouse and pay a $45 reinstatement fee. Potentially, if you pay that reinstatement fee, you can get yourself a valid license. Come back, all you have is document tickets here. Come back with some valid license, registration, and insurance, and the city attorney is going to give you a favorable offer, right?
Okay.
You still need to speak with the lawyer?
Yes, please.
Her return date is going to be June the 12th, 2023 at 8:30. I gave her the information. Once you come down and pay that, the sooner you come down and pay that, you can wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State. If you don't have any other tickets in any other jurisdictions, then I'm pretty sure you get a license, hopefully. Join the breakout room, speak to Ms. Bradfield. If she doesn't have any further questions, she's free to leave as long as she has that return date.
Your
Thank you.
Honor, the ticket number that you gave her, what was the charge?
And that's the no insurance civil infraction. All the
Okay, that's
tickets
what
are gonna remain open, but it'll at least get her an opportunity to get a license, hopefully.
Okay.
All right. City of Detroit, okay, we gotta wait on a lawyer. Mr. Lewis, are you still there? What happened with Mr. Lewis? Must have left. Got kicked off or something. All right, let me check some more keys. Mr. Juan Lopez Chavez, do you need an interpreter?
Yes.
Necesito interpreter? Un
Yes.
interpreter? All right, can we get a Spanish interpreter here, please? Juan Lopez, I don't know if he's on the docket or not. Lopez Chavez. Probably supposed to have been here yesterday. You see him?
9 o'clock.
Okay. We need to interpret. Moises Bermudez, was his lawyer, he's dead. Ms. Lagan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Was I supposed to see you in church last week?
No. Oh, you told me my date was today, right?
No, I mean, I wouldn't have court in church. I thought I was
I thought
supposed
you
to
just
see.
said something about some insurance. I'm sorry.
Oh, I thought I was, do you go to the Fountain of Truth?
No.
Oh, okay, this is another Lagan now. Do you have insurance?
I don't own a vehicle, but the vehicle that I'm driving has insurance on it if you want me to show that.
Yeah, look, do you have a valid license?
Yes, I went and got my license fixed.
Runner license, please. APA Cole, I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Robinson.
Yeah, she was speaking with her client. She wanted to speak with her client.
You want a
Judge, we
breakout
spoke.
room?
Yes, with
Okay, what do
Mr.
you-
Levante Little, please.
What do you want to do? You want to put him in a breakout room?
I don't have access to that, Judge.
I'm asking you, do you want me to put him in a breakout room?
Yes, I do, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Join the room, Mr. Little, please. All right, are we back on Light Baker?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Light Baker. Light Baker, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we did go over this quite extensively. She's going to request a bench trial date, Judge. We feel that's
What
best
you want to
for
do,
her.
Ms. Light Baker?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a trial date of July the 10th, 2023. Whatever the case may be, you need to bring that documentation of vaccination and dog license and stuff like that, all right?
Okay. I actually have it now, or you want me to just wait?
Well, bring it back then.
Okay.
Make sure it's valid because they can check that stuff, all right?
Okay. Okay.
All right, it's nothing further. Come back on July the 10th. We'll get some resolution of this on that day, all right?
And you said 9 a.m.?
9 a.m.
Okay, July 10th, 9
Nothing
a.m.
further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Judge, I didn't
Yeah,
want to
this-
intercede here. For Mr. Lopez Chavez, that was a retained matter, but Mr. Bermudez unfortunately passed away. But I don't think there's an officer on that one, unless I'm mistaken. And
Okay, so you want to just get him out of here because he needs.
That's
an
up to you,
interpreter.
Judge. I just wanted to bring it to your attention.
Well,
It's-
I would do it. We just call for an interpreter if we can just, if he feels comfortable just with the dismissal. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm sure he was comfortable with the dismissal, but.
Yeah, I don't know if they're both by Officer Harvey. I don't know. Let's see. Willie Harvey.
I think I have his file right here. How's your Spanish, Mr. Warland?
Not very good, Judge.
Did you see Training Day?
Yes, you know what? They've been showing it lately. I saw it when it originally came out, let's say back in 2002, and every time it's on, I have to watch it because it's a remarkable film.
What he says, you need to learn that. You need to learn
That's
that.
true.
I
That
can't
is
use
true.
the
That is
word
what
that he
the
says.
that's what Detective
We'll wait on the
Alonso
interpreter.
said.
We'll wait on the interpreter.
Okay,
City of
sounds good,
Detroit
Judge.
versus Jacquella Carolyn Renee Legan, case number 217-215-72, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. I'm trying to fix my camera on my phone.
All right, well, watch this. We'll call a matter when you get your camera ready.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, it's gonna come on quick, man. All right. Past that matter, Richard Gerard.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Richard Raymond Gerard Jr., case number SP139-28981, SP141-06881. Appearance for the record, please.
Richard Gerard.
Oh, go ahead, Ms. Bradfield. I'm sorry.
Okay. Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gerard. Mr. Gerard, state your name for the record and then mute your device. There's a lot of feedback.
Richard Raymond Gerard Jr.
All right, he's got this EWOP ticket. Good morning to you. It's gonna be a plea that's, do they amend it to disorderly conduct, the EWOP? I think they do. Disorderly conduct, and a pay $240 will dismiss the no insurance ticket. Put him in a breakout room. He has an absolute right to a trial. And you can speak to Ms. Bradfield in the breakout room about it, all right? Join the room, please. You might need to fix your device too.
Is he on the docket, Your Honor?
We have his file here.
Okay, I'm just trying to find him on the docket.
I don't see it either. Richard Gerard. Like Gerard Avenue in Philadelphia. That's set for trial today. Let's go. All right. Let's not even go to the breakout room. So let me bring him out. All right. Is there Anthony Darling? Anthony Darling, Officer Darling? Officer Darling, hearing no response, we're going to dismiss the matters for no office.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The case is dismissed, Mr. Gerard, no officer. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. Ms. Lagan, did you get your, you're free to leave, Mr. Gerard. Your cases are dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Gerard, did you get your camera on? Ms. Lagan? No. All right. Lorette?
Yes,
Hey.
Lorette.
Chad, did I get the pronunciation correct?
Correct. Lorette.
Rhett?
Lorette.
Lorette. Good morning to you.
Morning to you.
Is that just Chad, the first name?
Correct.
City of Detroit versus Chad Matthew Lorette, case number B50138322, B50138422. Appearance for the record, please.
Chad Lorette.
Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for pretrial. I don't know what they do with these business license tickets, Mr. Warbling. My inclination is to plead to one, dismiss the other. $240 fine, 12-month delayed sentence. Or if he can establish the fact that he has a business license, City of Detroit business license, and a parking lot attendant license, then I believe they will dismiss the cases. If he can't establish that, we'll give him an opportunity to try to get that documentation. If not, he has an absolute right to a trial and he can take the deal. I'm gonna let you put you in a breakout room with Mr. Warbling, speak to him, and let us know what you want to do when you get out. All right, Mr. Lorette?
Yes, thank you.
Join the room, please. Carmen?
Yes, I am here, Your Honor.
I don't know if you're supposed to be here or not.
Yes, I have my paperwork. I'm supposed to be here at 8:30 today. I did a walk-in.
You see her?
Yeah, but she's in the court.
You're not in the right courtroom.
Judge Millhouse.
You have to dial into Judge Millhouse's courtroom.
I have you on the paperwork.
Now, let's see.
Fine courtroom 434, Judge Sean Perkins.
Yeah, they messed that up. You're supposed to be in Millhouse. Did you get your ticket out of the 4th precinct, Southwest Detroit?
I'm not sure. This is an old ticket. Like I said, I just walked into the courthouse and was trying to like take care of everything, and this is what I was told to do.
If I had one of the tickets under me, I could do it, but I don't have. You got to go to Millhouse. 340 today, 8:30. Can you call Millhouse? Let her know she's coming. 340 is 360. Zoom ID 360-360-0340.
That was 360. What was the rest?
360-0340. We're gonna call over there and let them know you were here since 8:30.
Okay.
Hopefully they don't give you any. Hopefully they take your case. All right, zoom in there now, ma'am. They're waiting on you, I guess.
Okay, thank you.
Interpreter. All right, let's go ahead with Nisha Lee. Where's Nisha Lee?
Hi, sir. Good morning.
All right, this is the city. Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Nisha Sharon Lee, case number Z808-8981. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lee.
Ms. Lee, state your name for the record, please.
Naisha Sharon Lee.
All right, today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. Ms. Lee, are you gonna get a lawyer for this, or what are you gonna do? Are you gonna hire your own lawyer? Or do you want the court to see if we can appoint you a lawyer? Or you wanna just go with the lawyer that's here on any given day?
I'll just go with the lawyer that's given.
I think we need to appoint you a lawyer, man.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I think we need to appoint you a lawyer. What's a good phone number from you, ma'am?
My phone number is 248-396-5427.
396-5427.
Correct.
Let's see if we can get appointed counsel on this right now. You know how to do that? Call Mr. Judge Carter. Let's see if we can get appointed counsel. We're gonna pass that matter, see if we can get appointed counsel now.
Okay.
Morning, Ms. Cox.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I have Juan Gabriel Lopez Chavez here.
Yes.
Okay, Bertello is here on one. Harvey is not here on the other. All right, Ms. Cox, can you state your name for the record, please?
Maria Cox, State of Michigan, qualified Spanish interpreter.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. We're gonna, Mr. Warbling, why don't you contact Ms. Schneider? We have one officer here, Officer Spartello. The other officer, Harvey, is not here. So he's got one dismissal sitting here, and the other one, we're gonna see what they want to do. And I tried to pull Officer Spartello out of the room, but he hasn't come out. So we'll pass the matter, sit tight, and then we'll wait. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lorette, Chad Lorette. Giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Judge, he wants to waive his rights and take advantage of the offer, Your Honor.
The 1-for-1?
Yes, Judge, with a delayed sentence. Yes, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Mr. Warbling went over your other vice of rights, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any question about those rights?
No, no, Your Honor.
You understand you'll be giving up those rights as well once you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to May the 10th, 2022 at around 1 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 300 West 4th Street, sir. Are you familiar with that area?
Yes.
Do you own a business in that area?
No, I do not own. I work for a company, Air Garage.
Okay, and were you working for them at that time?
Yes.
And were you acting as a parking lot attendant on that day?
No, we have an attendant-free model.
I don't know what that is.
We don't require a parking attendant. People can pay by mobile phone, but we do require a business license that had expired at that time.
Okay, I got the one license, failure to display license. You say you don't own the business. I don't know how that would affect you, so obviously I'll take that one and dismiss that one. What if it's attendant-free license? What were you doing on that day?
I was not present. The infraction arrived through the mail to me. I believe it was simply a failure to post a license which had expired.
Are you some kind of registered agent for that business?
Correct. I registered for the first license, and then I believe my company failed to renew for the that year. And so at that time, we were operating on an expired license from the previous year.
So as the registered agent, you're accepting responsibility?
Yes.
All right. All right. So I guess it has on the ticket that you're the owner.
That's incorrect. I'm just an employee of the company.
You want to take this matter to trial and we're to sort it out that way, or what do you want to do?
I might refer back to Mr. Werbling at this point. My understanding was that there would be a fine, and then 12 months later, an expunged record for whatever, associated.
Well, Mr. Warbling?
Yes, Judge.
So you want me to just set a trial date and sort it out like that, or what? I'll dismiss this ticket.
There was some conversation. Sorry, Judge.
I'll dismiss this ticket upon payment. Do they have the licenses now, the proper licenses?
I don't believe they're operating that property any longer, Judge, and they won't be in the future. Is that correct, Mr. Lynette?
Correct.
Right. Sorry, Mr. Lorette. I apologize.
And unfortunately, you don't have the benefit of seeing the ticket. It says on here that he's the owner, but either way, let me know what you want to do. It's okay. It's going to be $240. We'll dismiss upon payment, or take it to trial and let it sort itself out that way.
Very good.
You want to rejoin the room? I don't know if we can establish an accurate factual basis. I guess with him being the registered agent, he does that mean you accept you have to accept the responsibility on the part of the corporation? I don't think so. I think that you accept the mailings and accept
right. That's all. I don't believe the resident agent is a culpable actor for whatever the company does.
Let's set a trial date. July the 10th, 2023, 9 a.m. Sort it out then.
I gotta check it.
Mr. Lorette, did you get that date, sir?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, I apologize. The date was July 10th.
Yes. Let's move on to Lakey.
Yes, Judge.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Grand rising to you.
Grand rising to you. See if I get your, give me the correct pronunciation of your name. I won't even try.
Cheyenne Lakey.
Cheyenne Lake. All right.
Your Honor, I also was told we were ready on Little. Excuse me for
We'll get
interrupting
you
you.
guys out of here right that next then. City of
Thank you,
Detroit versus Cheyenne Lakey, case number SP 1325131, SP 1433167, counts 1, 2, and 3 appearing for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lakey. State your name for the record, please.
Cheyenne Lakey.
You have a valid license, ma'am?
I have my permit.
Runner license, please. Ms. Lakey, you have valid registration and insurance?
No, not at the moment. I'm not driving that car right now.
All right, offer's gonna be pleading to the amended count of improper plates, if she has a valid license, Lakey, yeah. Improper plates, $240 fine will dismiss upon payment. All right, let's check the license out and we'll see what the license says. You don't see the file, it's just one count. The other ones are civil infractions. You're free to leave, Mr. Lorette.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes. Yes, we've got an appointed counsel on the same day. All right, let's go back on the record. Ms. Lakey, I got a valid driver's license for you. That offer is going to be improper plate, $240, dismiss upon payment, and we'll dismiss all the other matters now. What would you like to do, ma'am? You have an absolute right to a trial.
I'll pay the $240, but I can pay it in 2 weeks. Is that fine?
That'll be fine. Speak to Miss Bradfield in the breakout room. Read her advice and rights, Miss Bradfield.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? Come to visit, huh? How you doing, Mr.
Hey, good morning, Judge. How are you?
That's my niece.
Yeah, we just discovered that she was here to see Aaliyah Sabri.
Oh, was she?
And then we asked her her name, and quite naturally, the last name jumped out. Then I really thought about it. You want to go see her? She said, child right now, she's there. So you want to go see your uncle right? She said, yes. So come on.
Now, what do you got going on? Yeah, what did you need? What did you need to see Judge Sabri for?
My dad, he said I could just stop by here and just hang out with Judge Sabri. But I didn't know she was in trial right now.
She didn't know what?
I didn't know she was in trial right now because my dad asked me to come down here.
She has a prisoner down there right now, so she didn't know there's a trial going on, which is saying.
You didn't want to watch the trial?
I did.
Yeah, I just said bring it down here. Her officer Epps is out there. So I said, you want to come down and see her uncle right quick? She said, yes. So
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna take her back down there.
You're not gonna stay with us? Or you gonna go back to, that's more, that's
That's more interesting.
Not that you dull with it.
I'm dull with here. All right, I'll see you, I'll see you good. How you doing, officer?
All right, yourself.
All right, good. Okay. It's Levante Little. This is the state of Michigan versus Levante Little. Are we ready on Lakey?
Yes.
All right, I'll get Lakey out of here right quick, and then we'll get Levante Little. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lakey. Ms. Lakey, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. You still want to take this deal now?
Your Honor, in speaking with Ms. Lakey, I would like to ask for another court date for her to come into full compliance.
All right, that's what you want to do, Ms. Lakey?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, pretrial date is going to be June the 12th, 2023 at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right. City of Detroit, State of Michigan, strike that, versus Levante Juwan Little, case number SX 367-88731 and 21-35-74031. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of the client. State your name for the record, please.
It's Robinson, I believe is.
Oh, okay.
Is she there? Well, she was. I guess she's gone now. All right, pass the matter. All right, Officer Sergeant Gunther. We're waiting on the city attorney is not. They're short, so we're waiting on city attorneys to come through.
I understand. I've been trying to have the matter dismissed. I have no recollection of issuing this ticket.
And which person is this?
This is for Sadie Gavin Robinson.
I'm sure that they don't have a problem with it.
Yeah, the ticket was issued in 2018.
Is Gavin Robinson here? They didn't appear anyway. Doesn't appear. Okay. You're free to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Have a good day. Be safe out there. Okay, Christopher Granberry.
Your Honor,
Yes.
what was that officer was here for whom?
Gavin Robinson is set for trial, and I don't think Gavin Robinson is here.
Oh.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Christopher Granberry, case number SP 1445216, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1445271. Appearance for the record, please.
Christopher Granberry, Your Honor.
Judge Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, Mr. Granberry, do you have registration, insurance, and a valid license?
I do not, Your Honor.
Okay, what's going on with your license?
I don't know, Your Honor. I haven't had time to take my test, so I basically just wanted to admit responsibility and see how much you will give me in cost and fines.
Well, it is, all right. Failure to display. That's going to affect him getting a license and moving forward if he has any other civil and moving violations. He has an absolute right to a trial. He says he wants to take the deal. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Warbling.
Thank you, Judge. FTD dismiss the remainder.
And dismiss the remainder. We'll go over his advice of rights.
Yes, sir.
Might change his mind, I don't know.
Yes, sir.
All right. Grant, Tia Grant.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Tia Grant, case number SP 144-32871, 18-331021, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm sorry.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Grant. State your name for the record, please.
DMA Grant.
All right, today is the date and time set for pretrial and an arraignment on the bench warrant on the other 2 counts. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my reading.
Enter not guilty plea on our client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. This first one is no reduced plea on this. It's an alcohol-related offense on your driving record. If you plead guilty to it, it's 2 points and a $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial. The other 2 are 18 cases, no license and no insurance. I'll put you in a breakout room. Speak to Ms. Bradfield. If you want a trial date, it's going to be July the 11th, 2023.
Okay.
That's what you want to do, ma'am, or you want to speak to Ms. Bradfield?
I would like to speak with Ms. Bradfield.
Very well. Join the room, please. Candace Lee, okay. You have a valid license, Ms. Lee?
I'm sorry.
We're trying to get you an appointed counsel now.
Okay.
Talk about Candace Lee. You have what I do. You saying you have a valid license, Ms. Lee? Can you unmute yourself, please, Candace Lee?
Can't come off mute is what she said, but she does have a valid license, what she said.
Run her license. We're gonna have to get
I'm sorry, can you hear me?
Are you there, Ms. Lee?
Yes, I am.
Did you say you have a valid license?
Yes, I do.
Let's see. No, she wasn't.
Oh, the office was mentioned.
Is she? All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Candace Catisse Lee, case number SP 140-46841. State your name for the record, ma'am.
Candace Catisse Lee.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. I have a valid driver's license.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You too. Thank you.
Lucci.
So both of the officers are on the right?
But Gavin Robinson's not a good guy. Gavin Robinson here. All right, they can leave. Who are the officers? Oh, I see, Gavin Robinson. Miss Cole, APA Cole, what did you need? Were you waiting on me?
I thought that on Levante Little, I was waiting for
Miss
Attorney
Robinson
Robinson.
never came back.
She emailed me that she was in Judge Bryant's courtroom and she would be back, but it's definitely going to be a jury trial. So that's why I was waiting to hear from her, because we need to get, like, when you need instructions and things.
All right, Officer Huber, Sergeant Huber, and Officer Riley, good morning to you. Gavin Robinson is a no-show.
Okay, cool. Thank you, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, you all be safe out there and have a very good day.
You as
All right,
well.
thank you, Your Honor.
Say what?
I'm gonna call and try to get in touch with Ms. Carter again for the appointed counsel.
Okay.
The line's not on there no more.
Let me see it. Hold on. Walker, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Very well. We have, first and foremost, we have Juan Lopez Chavez. He has a two tickets, both open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver, but only one officer is here, that's Officer Botello. So can you speak with that officer and see, you know, if there's a recollection or if whatever that officer needs to, so that, because I have Ms. Cox here as an interpreter, so I'm gonna make sure that she gets out of here, because I know she probably has some other stuff. And then we have, we do have, I think the other defendants are here. Garner, I believe is here. They're going back. So I put you in a breakout room. If you and Officer Botello can join the breakout room and speak about the case, I appreciate it.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Lucci. Where's Lucci? Juan Lucci?
Yeah.
All right, let's go back on the record with Tia Grant. Ms. Grant, I've given you a opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would like to set this matter for a trial date. We're going to be requesting body cam footage in this matter.
Can you send that request to APA
Snyder?
Snyder? I mean,
Yes,
Snyder?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm typing the email up now.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Grant?
Yes, sir.
All right, I have a trial date, July the 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, sir. And will it be a Zoom meeting as well?
It's like Burger King. You have it your way, ma'am. You can come in person or have it on Zoom. Which would you like?
Okay. Zoom probably would be better.
Very well. July the 11th, 2023. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You do the same. Thank you.
Granberry, let's go back on the record.
I hear that. They didn't do nothing.
Let's go back on the record with Granberry.
You heard me? Yeah, but they can hear you.
Lucci.
Yes, I've been on here for the longest. This is irritating.
Everybody has, but I don't see your name on the docket.
Oh my God.
Oh my
I'm
God.
on here for the 28th of this month.
Okay, so what are you doing here today?
Can you tell me what I'm doing here today? Can you please tell me?
No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't.
Go to the Secretary of State.
You were here the other day, and I told you to come back on the 22nd of June for all your cases. So I can't tell you why you're here today.
Okay, on my last ticket that I had about a month ago.
June 22nd on all your cases.
Okay, have a good day. Bye.
Have a better one.
Damn.
So on my case, I won't be like that.
All right, let's go back on the record with Granberry. Mr. Granberry, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Wants to waive his rights, Judge, and take advantage of the.
All right. You raise your right hand, please, Mr. Granberry, if that's what you want to do. Where is he?
I got to turn my camera on here. Why is this unable to? 1 second, Your Honor. I got to change my settings. So I got to let Zoom access my camera.
All right, we'll pass it until he gets his camera stuff. All right, let's move on. Lucci's gone. Cordella.
Oh. I'm here.
What are we waiting on Ligon for? Let me clear
Remember,
something.
you wanted to get my insurance and stuff, and my camera wasn't working.
Okay, are you ready now?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Ligon. Ms. Ligon, I have, let's see the insurance that you have, please.
I don't know if you can see that, Your Honor, but it looked like it's kind of blurry on my end.
Slide it over. Let's see. Slide it over. Let's see what you have as far as. I don't see any dates on there or anything.
July 3rd is the expiration, Your Honor. July 3rd of last year was when it began.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the matters for providing valid documentation. All right.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right.
And I have a question because I have one more ticket in my name too, because it was all mixed up in the system. It was a speeding ticket.
And it's under the same name?
Remember when I came the last time, they got my middle name as my first name. I don't know how they got that messed up in the system.
Judge, I believe Attorney Warbling needs to be put into a room with his client and the interpreter, but does House Counsel need to speak with me regarding anything?
I don't know. Do you need, I don't know if anybody needs to speak with you. Are you, that's on interpreter. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Chavez. Is there an offer?
There is, Judge, but I think Attorney Warbling wants to discuss it with his client.
Oh, you've already talked to the word. Okay, go ahead.
I
Join
have,
the break,
yeah.
interpreter and Mr. Lopez Chavez.
I will.
All right, now is this last name is this name that you have? Thank you. Or, you said it was a speeding ticket?
Yes.
All right, City of Detroit versus Jacqueline Ligon, case number SP 128143, counts 1, 2, and 3. No, yeah, counts 1, 2, and 3. We'll just give you a blocking traffic, $175 to clear it up.
Okay.
Amended count. All right. No, I got the file.
Oh, yeah.
That's the one I did. All right.
Hey. You can't be doing all that. He gonna come get you. He gonna come get you.
All right, when can you pay the blocking traffic $175 now?
Can I have at least 2 weeks to pay? Because I'm not working right now, so I'm gonna have to make something happen.
All right, I'm gonna give you 30 days. May the 29th, 2023, pay it by then, or else it's gonna affect that license, all right?
Okay, do I have to come down to the courthouse to pay it, or can I download the DivDap app and pay it that way?
You can download the DivDat app. Wait till it says $175 blocking traffic, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, man. Good luck to you.
You as well.
All right, Granberry, what's Granberry? Is he there now? Who is Cordella?
Cordelia, I'm here, Your Honor.
I just
All right, Cordelia, what's your last name? You say something, Miss Williams-Law?
Goodman. Yes, I was saying I readmitted Granberry.
Yeah, okay. Do you have your camera on now, Mr. Granberry?
Yes, I do now, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Granberry. Mr. Granberry, you want to take this deal?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand, Mr. Warbling went over some of your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any question about those rights?
No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 24th, 2023, around 3:32 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Evanston and Ansbury Street. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
on that day where you operate the motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Yes.
You couldn't produce that license, could you?
No, I couldn't. No.
All right. Why is that?
Because I haven't went to take my driver's test yet.
All right. I'm gonna find your client guilty of amended count of failure to display, $240 fine with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other counts.
We still stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. With that, sir, 240, when can you pay?
Yes, Your Honor. Could I have a month?
I'm gonna give you till May the 29th, 2023 to pay it, all right?
Yes, thank you.
There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right. Ms. Goodman, are you there?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. City of Detroit versus Cordelia Janae Goodman, case number SH 1001102, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1004074, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1182070, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1182071, SP 5576041, SP 8013421, State of Michigan versus Cordelia Janae Goodman, case number SX 3807199. Counts 1 and count 2 in U52602219. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Goodman. State your name for the record, please.
Cordelia Goodman.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for more readings, Your Honor.
All right, enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Did you take the better driver's course, ma'am?
It asked me for an agency number off a referral, but I never got a referral. You just told me to do it on the last one.
I don't know of anything like that.
It's got an asteroid mark by it, so I cannot like bypass it. It says I can find it on a referral on the top left corner, I believe it said.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I haven't had anybody come to me with that issue.
I actually got it still pulled up. It says the agency code and it's 17K27NS. It's got a bunch of numbers and letter calculations, but I'm not sure which one to go to.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never taken the course. So what I'm going to do now is either
Can I email you a picture of this?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not disputing that you're telling me the truth or not. I'm just saying we got to move this along now. You know, you have.
So should I put in any agency number?
I don't know. You can call them. Do they have a phone number down there to call?
No, it just said you will find the agency code listed in the upper right-hand corner of the agency referral form.
What? Yeah, I don't know. I've never heard anybody state that to me that's had a problem. I mean, people have had problems joining the thing, but for the most part, that's the first time I hear an agency code. So either you pay this $336 for this no proof of insurance, an old no proof of insurance, and then I'll allow you to pay the reinstatement fee on the other no proof of insurance. You can potentially get a license then, and then you can come back, or we'll set a trial date on all the stuff.
can I go ahead and pay the $336 and a reinstatement fee and try to get my license and then come back?
Yeah. All right, you got an ink pen, ma'am?
I do.
SP 1182. Mr. Gully, I'm hearing your comments, please. Let's mute your phone. 1182 0702. That's the $45 reinstatement fee.
So the 45 plus the 336, and then I can apply for my license?
Then the 336 is gonna be SP 801-3413. And you're gonna have to come down to the court and pay the 45, so you might as well come down and pay both of them. I don't know if you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions or not. But if you don't, then you can potentially get a valid license, all right?
Okay, and quick question, I'm sorry. Monday when we talked and I asked to put all the tickets from the 36th district, under the same docket, I still believe I have like 3 tickets that's not on there.
Yeah, I see those. Those just came into the system now. And I called those into the
I
record.
had 3 of them up front. That's what the court date was for Monday. And then the other 8 was supposed to have been today, but it wasn't, it was only 5 of them that was added.
Well, it appears that we have everything added now.
Okay.
All right, so pay that 336 and the 45, you can potentially get a license.
And will they give me a court date when I do that, or you gonna give me one now?
I'm gonna give you a court date now, June 12th, 2023. I'm gonna put that better driver's course information back in the chat.
I'm just gonna put in any agency number and let it and see if it let me just go through with it. Because it's asking for all my information and then it says agency code.
Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, June 12th, 2023.
For Sean Perkins?
That's the courtroom we'll come back to.
Would it be the 36 SP?
I don't know anything about that, entering that stuff in that course. I don't administer that. I wish I did have a course I can get paid like that on. I wouldn't be doing this probably. All right. All right.
Okay, well, I'll see you June 12th. Thank you.
All right, if nothing further, have a very good day, ma'am. Good luck to you. All right, let's go with Levante. Do we have a trial date? Levante Little. You ready, Miss Robinson?
Ready, Your Honor.
It's the state of Michigan versus Levante Little, Juwan Little, case number SX 367-88731 and 213-574-031. Appearance for the record, please.
Levante Little.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson. Good morning, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Levante Little.
All right, we're gonna pass it now. Wait on the prosecutor to come back. All right. All right, what about Lopez Chavez? Are we ready on him?
We're ready, Judge.
Yes, Judge.
All right, City of Detroit versus Juan Gabriel Lopez Chavez, case number SP 123-93561, SP 134-32041. Appearance for the record, please.
Shannon Walker, P53794 on behalf of the people.
Señor López Chávez, llamaron a su caso, dieron los números de su tiquete y preguntaron que se presentaran los abogados. La señorita Walker se presentó representando al Estado.
And Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Y el señor Werbling y dio su número de su licencia representando al acusado.
Okay, Officer Botello, can you state your name and a badge number for the record, please?
Policía, señor Patillo, por favor diga su nombre y el número de su placa.
Judge, I believe he may be in the breakout room still.
Creen que él todavía está en un cuarto privado.
Okay, what's the offer gonna be here?
¿Cuál es la
Judge-
oferta?
Apologies. Judge, the offer is that the defendant will enter drug treatment court. And so
La
long as he successfully completes drug treatment court, we will amend the charge to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Su señoría, la oferta es que el acusado participe en un programa de tratamiento de las
How is she
drogas
gonna
o
put that
alcohol
on
y
there?
que si termina bien el programa, entonces le pueden que puede renovar su licencia.
And Judge, that is only for the charge for the officer you named. It's my understanding the other officer failed to appear.
Entonces eso nada más es para el cargo que puso el policía que se presentó. Me han dicho que el otro policía no se ha presentado.
And Judge, I've discussed with Attorney Werbeling, should defendant not successfully complete drug treatment court, the original charge will be reinstated to his record.
Y como discutimos con el abogado Werbling, si el acusado no termina bien el programa, entonces todos los cargos se le volverían a poner.
Okay, we need drug treatment court on the line. We got to see if he's eligible.
Tenemos que tener a la corte del que manda a las personas a este programa a ver si ellos dicen que él califica para participar.
All right, you can go in the, I can't pull the officer out either. He can put his appearance on the record and he can go.
Judge, it was Officer Botello. He was present in the courtroom. He was in the breakout room with me. He did have a discussion and is in agreement with this offer.
La señora fiscal dijo que el policía Patillo estuvo con ella en un cuarto privado, discutieron la oferta y el policía está de acuerdo a que le hagan esa oferta.
All right, he's in the breakout room now. If you can go get him and put his appearance on the record and he can leave.
Judge, I'm not co-host.
What room is he in, Your Honor? I can
No,
only
you
go to
just go
two.
back to the room, Ms. Walker.
Oh, okay. As long as I'm still set for that room. One moment.
Carlos Green.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back. Let's go. This is the city of Detroit versus Carlos Ardrell Green. Case numbers SP 1033267 SP 109-68511, SP 1303212 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1303216 counts 1 and counts 2. Two 207-145-261. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Daphne
Hey,
Bradfield.
I'm
I'm
sorry,
sorry.
go ahead, Ms. Bradshaw.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Green. State your name for the record.
Carlos Adero Green.
Good morning, sir. Is that religious headgear you have on?
Yes, it is.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. You have a valid license, sir?
Currently, I do not. I'm working on getting that squared away. Hopefully, we can get that squared away.
You want to take a better driver's course, sir? Sort of mitigate this 16 to 20 over and this cut off. What is this? Let's see what this says. Cut in and out or into traffic. I guess that's a moving violation. Should be some points, I'm sure. You want to take a better driver's course to see if you can mitigate that. Then you can take an opportunity to get a license if you choose in that time. You have an absolute right to a trial. I can get you an offer. We have Mr. Walker, who's the supervisor of the City of Detroit Law Department. Can get you an offer right now if you choose. What would you like, sir? Or you can speak to the council in the breakout room.
Yeah, we can do that.
So which one? Speak to council, get an offer, go to trial, take the class.
Get an offer.
All right, offer. I got, you there, Ms. Walker?
I am, Judge.
I got disorderly person, improper license, misdemeanor, no insurance misdemeanor, civil infractions of cut in and out of traffic, 16 to 20 miles and over. I have another improper license and another driving while license suspended. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 counts.
Judge, I'm going to come down because I want to look at the disorderly conduct ticket. I don't want you to read that into the record right now, but I'll be down shortly to take a look at that. Do we have the actual ticket, Judge, or just the ROA?
That's what I'm looking at now. Let's see here. Well, this is, see, this is why I don't proceed on ROAs, because this is a VCCSC case. So I'm thinking that's sort of a violation of a
City Controlled Substance Code. And what year is that from, Judge?
2020. So that's why I don't proceed on ROAs, because the ROA says disorderly person. So that's it.
Your Honor, if it's possible.
It doesn't have any notes by the VCCSC. That's just it. Just has the statute number. Who's your lawyer on this case?
Yeah, I think Ms. Bradfield should perhaps talk to Mr. Green about the benefit of taking a course, but I'll let her have that conversation.
Send this send that to Ms. Bradfield, please, for Mr. Green, so she can look over that. All right, we'll pass the matter. We'll put you in a breakout room with Attorney Bradfield, and you can get some counsel from her. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We're sending you over that ticket as well, Ms. Bradfield.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's move on. Is this Gaddis?
Yes, sir.
According to you.
Hello?
KLUM. Who is it?
It's Calum Gaddis.
That's KALUM.
Yes, Calum.
City of Detroit versus Kalen Grapevine. Gaddis, case number SB 1370189, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1370231. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
See the breakout
State your
room.
name for the record, sir.
Calum Gaddis.
All right, do you have valid insurance and registration for this vehicle?
Yes.
Let's see what you have.
I'll flip it. Do I have the insurance? That's until
Hold on
July.
a second, hold on a second, let's see. Okay, let's see the registration. Okay, what about your license? Did you change your address on your license?
Yes.
What are you in this Clinton Township address?
No, Indiana Street.
Detroit?
Yes, sir. They put it on the back. They matched the registration.
Let me see that. Four 8-2-2-3. Or 4-8-2-3-8. All right, with that, I'm gonna dismiss the cases for coming in compliance, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Did we have this one? He wasn't? Oh, he was supposed to be here the 25th. All right. All right, we're gonna close them out. All right. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Stay on mute and wait for more reading at this time, Your Honor.
All right, I enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, a $0 bond. We'll close the matters out for coming into compliance, all right?
Thank you, Judge.
Gully, did Carlos Green join the room yet?
I'm waiting.
No, Your Honor.
You gotta join the room, Mr. Green.
I'm trying to figure out how to do that, Your Honor.
It should be if you tap your screen, you should see join breakout room number 3.
Nope, none of that's coming up at all. I tap my screen, I don't see anything.
Can you show them how to do that, Ms. Williams Law? Direct them how to do it.
And I didn't receive the ticket yet either.
No, I know that should be on his way. Oh, can we get the email address in the chat to
Sure.
Okay. Ms. Peoples, that's the clerk 434. All right, you're done, Mr. Gaddis. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Mr. Green, do you see anywhere in your screen that says more?
Something that says more on my screen?
Yes.
No.
What do you see?
All right, I'm scrolling over. And
So you muted yourself, so don't do that.
okay, hold on. Now, all right, I'm back. Now I see a picture of some lady. You. Now I'm back to the courtroom.
But tell me what you see. Any prompts?
No. Where? Hold on.
When you tap the screen, do you see something that say breakout room?
Okay, here we are.
All right, this city of Detroit versus Alexander Gully. Case number SP 143-67591. Appearance for the record, please.
Alexander Gully. Good morning,
Good morning
Judge.
to you, sir. Today is the date time set for a pretrial. Mr. Can you put your appearance on the record?
Judge Ben Werbling, P 64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mr. Gully, your license is not valid, sir.
Yes, sir. I just need some time so I can be able to just get them. It costs $250 for my restatement fee.
Pretty full.
And
Are they still
kind of
charging
hard.
reinstatement? Are they charging reinstatement fees still?
Yes.
How long is
All I
it gonna
gotta
take
do
you
is
to
pay.
get them?
I say, give me about another 30 days for me, Judge.
I'm gonna give you one more chance on them. I'm gonna give you July the 12th.
Okay. I appreciate that.
I told you to come back. I'll dismiss the ticket with a valid license, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Gully, if there's nothing further, pretrial 6/12/2023 at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
Good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too, Judge.
Right. All right, let's move on to Wortman.
Yeah,
Good morning to you, sir.
good morning.
City of Detroit, or State of Michigan, strike that, State of Michigan versus Marnez Dequan Wortman. Case numbers SX 418-185-9, counts 1 and counts 2. SX 4 and count 3. Appearance for record, please.
Ben Worthing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Wortman, state your name for the record, please.
Marnez
Ben
Dequan
Worthing,
Gorton.
Do you have a valid license, sir?
I know when I came to court the last time, you had gave me some tickets to pay. I paid the ticket and took the better driving course. So I haven't really got time to get with the Secretary of State to see what's going on.
Run his license, please. See if it became valid since he's been. All right, I'm gonna pass the matter momentarily, run the license. We'll see what's going on with it. Me, Patrick. He was in the waiting room. John, Nicole, John Stable. He must have been the lawyer. iPhone, who's on that iPhone? That's Wortman. Ford's iPhone. Who's I know that name.
James Gasaway.
What is it?
James Gasaway.
Gasaway.
Yes, sir.
He told me to come back on the 28th. Check out my so I had to go to Secretary of State to see what's going on with my license.
Did you get it back?
I didn't get it back. They gave me this. I'll show you. They
All right,
gave
let's
me.
go back on the record with Wortman.
Yeah.
I don't know what else to do. I mean, you could take, this is a state case. You could take a failure to display and dismiss the other 2 counts. And that's gonna suspend your license even further. Or you can go get a license. I'm not gonna keep on, because you don't have time, keep on giving you opportunities to come back and forth. You gotta, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it.
I mean, it's my second time coming to court. You told me just to pay the ticket and take the better driver's course. I did that. I thought,
Let me see the better driver. Did you send me the better driver's course?
yes, I forwarded to your email.
All right. Well, you need to go take some action on this license.
I'm not even knowing. I'm not understanding like what's going on. Like what else is stopping me from getting a license? Like what's stopping?
I think it's you stopping you. You said that you didn't have time to go to the Secretary of State.
I mean, yeah, I really ain't have time to go to the Secretary of State. I've been working and everything like that. If you can give me another court date, I'll just try to get to the Secretary of State because I paid all the tickets and everything like that.
All right, I don't. Yeah, you have to go there. Well, driver probation extension through July, 31st, 2022. So it's past, long past then. You got to go there.
Go to the Secretary of State.
And then we see what they say at this point. Do we have Workman's file yet? All right. Let me see if you sent me the better driver's course, sir?
Yes.
Under which email address did you send it?
It's under Daquan Gortman 92@gmail.com.
Okay. All right, congratulations on that. I have that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Put that in the file. I need another pretrial, some more pretrial dates. I'll just give July 11th as a pretrial date. July 11th, 2023. Go to the Secretary of State and see what they say, all right?
Okay.
And come on back.
What time on July 11th?
Same 8:30.
8:30, okay.
You know the time, Mr. Gorman. Have a good day, sir.
You too, man. Thank you.
All right. Gas away.
Yes.
Back and forth now.
All right, I have Mr. Yancey, good morning to you. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the interpreter and Mr. Chavez. Let's ask you this: is Mr. Chavez, is he eligible?
What?
It does appear that he is eligible.
All right, let's put you in a breakout room with Chavez.
I'm here.
Señor Chávez, nos van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que hable con el señor Yancey del programa de drogas y alcohol.
Okay.
Oh, how do you do that?
Ok, le salió un letrero que dice Join Breakout Room. Y, por favor, oprime el botoncito que diga Join.
What if he called payment back?
It's the same.
Versus James Gasaway, case number SP 1311535, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gasaway, talk to Mr. Warbling. He has a driving while license revoked ticket. I don't even have a file for him. I know it's a file somewhere around here. He paid a reinstatement fee up front. He went to the Secretary of State. Let us know where he is with that. And if you need to speak with Ms. Walker about an offer, then work that out on your phone, all right, if you can.
Yes, Judge. His charges are once again, Your Honor, because I didn't see him.
Driving license revoked and no proof of insurance.
Okay, no proof. Okay. Got it. All right. Thanks, Judge.
Officer Botello.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. That's I think Mr. Chavez is going to take a deal. I don't know. So you're free to leave.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, have a good. On the iPhone 5, what's your name, please?
Antonio Gunn.
Well, not you're on the iPhone 6, but I needed that too.
I'm on iPhone 5 and 6.
Well, why are you on 2?
Because one needed charging and it kept dying. So I'm gonna hit one of them.
All right, Antonio Gunn.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. Antonio Gunn, I got a Damon Gunn.
No, it's Antonio.
Hope didn't show. All right. All right, let's call the case. It's done.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Antonio Gunn. Case numbers SP 1410781, SP 1410782, SP 1425137, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gunn. State your name for the record.
Antonio Gunn.
Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Do I have Officer Hope and Officer Bush? Officer Hope and Officer Bush. Hearing no response. I'm going to dismiss the cases. No officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further, Mr. Gunn. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right, appreciate your patience. What's Mr. Green gonna do? On the phone there. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green.
Your Honor, Mr. Green would like to ask that this matter be set for trial, and he will be completing the course.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Very well. Trial date, July the 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m., sir.
July 11, 2023.
2023, 9 a.m. The course is in the chat. I put the course information in the chat if you don't already have it.
Wait, what July the what? What was that again?
July the 11th, 2023.
July the 11th, 2023, 9 a.m. You got that? Okay.
All right. Lanisha Lee, did we ever get contact from? All right, Miss Lee, what we're gonna do. Where is Lee? I think
Yes,
I
sir.
put it open already. Yeah, we could just, we're gonna just put the referral in. Come back on June 12th, 2023 at 8:30. We're having trouble getting in contact with, I wanted this case to be in particular. Well, let's come have you back sooner than that. Let's have you back on, in 2 weeks, on May the 12th, 2023. Because I want, this is of particular importance, and I want you to be represented sooner rather than later, all right? May the
Yes,
12th,
sir.
we're gonna send that out. We have your phone number, so still wait on that call, okay?
Yes, sir.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You as well, sir. Thank you.
All right. 8, 7, all right, you're done, Mr. Green, if you don't have any other questions.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You have a better one. 878-4366, can you press *6 to unmute yourself? All right, the person that just stepped in on the iPhone, take your hat off, sir. What's your name, please?
Justin Gardner.
Justin Gardner.
Yes, sir.
Were you here earlier?
Yeah, I was. I lost connection though.
All right, Justin Garner, I have 2 officers in the breakout room for him. Let's see if we can get an offer from city attorney on Justin Garner. Here's APA call. I'm gonna need a jury trial date. You can give me a few of them so that you're all on the same page.
Hello.
Hello.
All right. Officer Corporal Corpick, I have Judge Mr. Garner here. I don't know if you've been able to speak with city attorney yet, but you and Officer Jenkins are here. So I'm going to ask one of the lawyers to put them in a breakout room. I mean, to get an offer for Mr. Garner based on you officers being here. And then we'll go from there, all right?
Okay,
Good morning to you too.
good morning.
That person on the phone, they never did unmute themselves. Okay, now we have, let's go back on the record with Mr. Levante Little.
Oh, yeah.
APA Cole, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Cool. On behalf of the people.
All right.
And good morning,
I think-
Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Levante Little, who's present on Zoom.
Okay, state your name for the record again, Mr. Little. I know we already called the cases into the record.
Levante Little.
All right, let's call, we need the jury trial date, Mrs. Robinson.
Yes, Judge, and I have an oral motion to dismiss the case as a Brady violation. There's discovery that I requested, body worn camera and the search warrant, and I have not received it. This is exculpatory. We're arguing that it's exculpatory. I've requested it on the record several times, and I also filed a written discovery demand. My understanding is that this was part of a homicide investigation, so my understanding is by statute it has to be preserved.
APA Cole.
Well, I would like some time to respond to it. And also I did provide her with details of the investigation, the investigator's report, the supplemental report from the officers, And I have also told her that I need any witnesses that she intends to have come forward on this matter, but I certainly, I asked the officers if there was, she asked for body camera of like 6 different officers on this misdemeanor case. And I've asked them to try to find it all, but basically this was a raid on a illegal medical marijuana facility. And they did have a search warrant, and certainly with the report and the investigator, they talk about the fact that they had the search warrant. But I can certainly, I just think that I'm not ready to say that she hasn't been provided any evidence on this. And also I asked her to talk with her client, because I did offer a settlement, and I told her that if it is not taken today and we have to prepare for a jury trial, then those offers will be taken off the table. So I just want to make sure that she said she would speak to her client about that. But at this point, I would like at least till Monday to prepare a written response. And if I don't have the evidence, I can also let her know that the evidence is not available, and she can argue that to the jury. There is a jury instruction on that. But to dismiss the case, I think would be very unfair.
Well, I understand you making that representation, but I think that in all due respect to Mrs. Robinson's argument, she's basically making the same representation, that it's very unfair that she can't get the information that she needs to help defend her client. And she's made a argument that the evidence must be retained in this situation. Why don't you brief the matters for me and I'll go over it that way? I thought that this should have been done in the time frame that we were here for the final pretrial date. I'm willing to listen and entertain any kind of motions that anybody has, and I understand there is a motion on the floor right now. Why don't, Ms. Robinson, we do this in a written motion, and then APA Cole will have time to respond. We'll set a jury trial date. We'll set a final pretrial date, and on that final pretrial date, we'll hear the motions, and I'll make a determination on that time.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we're looking at May 18th for jury trial, June the 2nd or June the 15th. I know you had some issues with some of those dates before, Ms. Robinson, because I believe you have some kind of trial going on across the street. I think, if I remember correctly.
You are right, Judge. On June the 2nd, I have back-to-back jury trials starting the day after Memorial Day. And you said June the 15th. I can do June the 15th.
You had another trial in here. Or was that, what date did you set for that?
Your memory is impeccable. The conflict was May. I was out of town. And in June the 2nd, I do have back-to-back jury trials in front of Judge Slavens with one defendant. June 15th looks okay.
Oh, I thought June 15th was the one you scheduled some kind of trial in here before. That was the date on the other case, but if it's okay, it's okay.
It looks okay, Judge, unless my calendar, I try to keep a good calendar, and it looks okay. If it's not, I'll call the court immediately when I get back to my office, but June 15th looks okay.
All right, so let's do it like this. Jury trial date, June 15th. I want to say, what do we have on that day? June 15th. Maybe we can look it up now and see. Excuse me. All right, Mr. Yancy Chavez, have you talked?
Yes, Your Honor, I did talk to him through the interpreter. I did explained to him as best I could how our program works. And he reported that he understood how it works, and he has a really involved schedule, but he says he thinks he can do this. So I don't know if he'd be better suited for regular probation or our program, but he said he was willing to try our program. And the only thing I can say is, once you get in our program, you can't, you got to do more doing than trying. So
Hold on. Areas, you want to interpret that, Madam Clerk? So do you?
Yes, Your Honor, I certainly can. Señor López, lo que dijo el señor Yancy que habló con usted fue que sí, él le dijo cómo era el programa y usted estaba pues listo a participar, pero él lo que dijo es que si usted empieza ese programa es muy involucrado, tiene que hacer muchísimas cosas, entonces el señor Yancy no sabe si es mejor que usted participe en ese programa o nada más le den probación regular, pues, como dan a los demás, sin participar en el programa.
So he's saying that it's only 2 ways out of the program. One of the ways is a big, fabulous graduation, diplomas, food, all of that. And the other way, they feed you too, but the dinner is not that good. The accommodations are not that good, right, Mr. Yancey?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Dice él que hay 2 maneras de salir del programa. El primero es graduarse, hacerlo bien, y pues tiene una graduación, le dan diploma, le dan pues un festejo. Pero si no termina el programa, entonces le dan comida y un lugar donde estar, pero no es bueno, no es bueno.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Little. Ms. Robinson, you have a trial in here for Arius Langley on June the 15th, jury trial. So June 29th, we'll schedule this one for. Like to block that date off.
And the final pretrial will still be.
Yes, Judge, that's right.
All right, final pretrial. Let's do some motion dates. How long before you get this motion in here?
I can get in by next week.
I'll give you more time than that. You got all the way up to June 9th, 29th. But if you want next week, it doesn't matter to me. Let's just say motions due by May 26th.
Yes, Judge.
And then response is going to be due by June the 2nd.
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to have the final pretrial the day before the trial on the final pretrial June 28th. Final pretrial June 28th. And we'll know that day whether we're going to go to trial or not.
Yeah.
Okay, and then in the meantime, you guys can have enough time to work out what you want. Mr. Little, did you ever get a driver's license?
No, sir, I didn't, because I'm not working and I don't have the funds to get it to pay off everything yet.
Well, I would suggest you go to the Secretary of State and see if you can get a license right now.
Last time I went, they said I still had to pay off, I believe it was no proof of insurance, like 3 of them.
It seems like you're eligible.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, I'm making an appointment then.
Make an appointment, all right?
Okay.
You can't get it, talk to Miss Robinson, she'll relay that to the court and we'll see where it goes from there, all right?
Thank you.
Your Honor, the last thing, I just wanted to add that the offer that I placed on, relayed to Ms. Attorney Robinson today will be withdrawn.
Okay, I think that.
Understood. Understood.
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
So my next court date is it June 28th?
Yours is June 28th.
Okay. What time?
8:30.
8:30. Okay.
All right, have a great day. Good luck to both of you.
Thank you too.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Juan Gabriel Lopez Chavez.
Your Honor, never mind.
Yes.
It wasn't the 29th.
That's the jury trial date.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, jury trial the day before that, we'll do the final pretrial just in case they have it settled. All right. Mr. Juan Lopez Chavez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Yancey. You want to join the program, sir?
Señor López Chávez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con el señor Yancey. ¿Usted quiere participar o ser parte de ese programa?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, sir? Where are you?
Prenda su pantalla, señor López
Turn your video
Chávez.
on.
Okay.
Take your hat off, please.
Quítese el sombrero. Suba la mano derecha.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma de decir la verdad y toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Baje la mano.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que la condena máxima para esta infracción podría ser hasta 90 días de cárcel, 93 días y $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
¿Usted entiende que como esto es un delito de cargo menor, puede afectar su estatus legal aquí en este país en el futuro?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene el derecho de pedir un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Warbling went over some of your other advice rights in the breakout room, did he not?
¿Y el señor Warbling discutió con usted algunos de sus otros derechos cuando estaban en el cuarto privado, sí o no?
No he hablado ahorita con él.
I have not spoken with him about that.
Mr. Yancey, let me ask you this. I know she wants a guilty plea, but they are amending it to allowing if he completes the program. Can I just send her over to Ms. Holmes and she do the guilty plea?
Señor Yancey, yo entiendo que ellos quieren que él se declare culpable, pero lo puedo mandar frente a su programa y ustedes, pues, ¿hacen eso?
Sí.
I'm trying to find that out real quick.
Le preguntó al señor Yancey si eso era posible. El señor Yancey dice que está averiguando a ver si eso es posible, que usted no se declare culpable ahora.
Because if he doesn't complete the program, then it'll be revert back to the guilty plea on the open intoxicating motor vehicle driver.
He'd have to take a guilty plea first to come into our program.
Dice él que usted se tiene que declarar culpable primero antes de que lo dejen entrar al programa de él.
Okay.
Y que si usted no hace el programa por completo, entonces le vuelven a poner todos los cargos como eran anterior, en vez de nada más que pues permitió que hubiera pues alcohol en el carro, no que usted estaba tomando.
Okay.
All right, now, I'm gonna send you back in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling, go over his advice to rights, and then come on back out.
Yes, Your Honor.
What I will do, though, before you leave, Mr. Warbling, let's go over Mr. Gasaway. Thing. Join the room of Mr. Cox and Mr. Lopez, and wait on Mr. Warbling to come on in.
Nos van a mandar otra vez a un cuarto privado para que venga el señor Warbling a hablar con usted sobre sus derechos. Señor
Okay.
Juan López. Your Honor, do you want us to go there to breakout room 6?
Yes.
Okay, es el cuarto privado número 6.
All right, what's gonna go on with Gasaway? Mr. Warbling?
Yes, Judge, is he with us now?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
He's got the, were you able to work anything out for him?
Judge, Ms. Walker did tender an offer to failure to display and to dismiss the remaining matters. However, he's indicated, well, he's received paperwork from Secretary of State that is eligible for a driver's license restoration hearing. And I know that if he pleads to anything, they could punish him by delaying that eligibility. And I don't want that to happen either, Your Honor. So we're kind of between a rock and a hard place here. He claims that this was set for trial in the past. I did look it up online, and the officer didn't show up, but I didn't see any indication of that, Your Honor. I think we've had an arraignment and a pretrial, but if we take the offer, I don't want that to affect him administratively with the Secretary of State. And then another reason is I don't know how this alleged status of his license. He claims he's never been convicted of any prior alcohol-related driving offenses. So I don't know how they're saying he's revoked, unless he's gone over the point total. So there's some issues with this case, Judge.
It was scheduled for trial on 3/14/2023.
Okay.
Officer British, I think this was a matter where, if I remember correctly, that he was scheduled for trial on some of the other ones. Yes, and those officers didn't show, but Officer Broche showed. And they gave him another adjourned date just because they didn't want to, the offer was failure to display at that time. They didn't want to put him saying they wanted to see him get a license. So I have you scheduled the hearing yet?
Mr. Gasser, you have the paperwork. Have you scheduled the hearing?
No, I haven't. I didn't understand it because I have never been convicted of or driving with any substance or alcohol ever. And so I was confused on that.
So, I mean, I don't know what you're gonna have to go to the hearing. I mean, either you're gonna have to hire a lawyer for it or I can't help you on that. You're gonna have to navigate that yourself, or you're gonna have to hire a lawyer. I just know that if you have a driving license revoked, this will abstract, and they're not willing to do anything other than the failure to display, and that'll further. I agree with counsel. That'll further put you in a more precarious position and extend it out longer.
Yeah, I don't want that.
I mean, Judge, I don't know if we want to. I mean, I may have no choice but to set it for trial.
Yeah, because I don't want to take another deal.
Then I may have to just further negotiate. Have further negotiations at that time. I don't know.
All right, let's set the matter for trial one more time. In the meantime, you need to get ready. You need to get this stuff together. You need to find somebody that can help you out, or you have to go over that stuff and get it together.
Yeah, so, okay, so, but this is, once I do this, it's just a request, because I still will have to wait on them to even get back to me.
The trial date's not gonna be until July. It's still April now, the end of April. So you have 1, 2, almost 2.5 months to get it done.
Okay.
And then come back in here with some more paperwork that's saying that you actually took some steps. And maybe, I don't know, maybe they'll have some leniency on you then. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I did the betters driving course and everything, so, I mean.
Did you let Ms. Walker know that, Mr. Warbling?
I did, Judge.
All right. Well, just come back, excuse me, come back July the 11th, 2023, 9 a.m. and we'll see what happens on that day. But in the meantime, you need to get some paperwork to them to get that process started, all right?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further, Mr. Gasway. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your
Honor. Did we get an offer for Garner? Go join the room, Mr. Warbling, and speak to, were you able to get an offer for Garner, Miss, who's on the phone at 313-878-4366? Can you press *6 to unmute yourself? It's Gooch.
Not here, Gooch.
Okay, that's what I've been looking for. All right. Let's call the,
I'm
good
here.
morning to you. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning to you too.
Do you have a valid license, ma'am?
Not right now, it's not.
What's it gonna take for you to get licensed?
I was gonna go either Monday or Tuesday.
City of Detroit versus Ponsanita Gooch. Case number.
Santia.
Pontia.
Yes, Santia, the P is silent.
Yes, Santia Lynette Gooch, case number SP 132696571. Appearance for the record, please.
Santia Gooch.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of the client.
All right, today is the date and time. It's set for show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purpose of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my reading.
Give her a not guilty plea and $0 bond. Ms. Gooch, come back on the 29th. You have a driver's license. I'll dismiss the case. May the 29th.
Okay.
8:30, okay?
Okay, May 29th at 8:30. Okay.
Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you, you too.
Garner, did we get an offer for Garner yet?
May I speak to Garner in the breakout room, Your Honor? Didn't get a chance to get an offer. Thank you.
Join the room, Mr. Garner. I'll just call the cases into the record for time purposes and then put you and Officer Jenkins' appearance on the record. This is the City of Detroit versus Justin Alexander Garner, case number SP 1219946, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1274416, counts 1 and 2, SP 1274470, counts 1 and counts 2, 18488953, appearance for the record. Please, state your name for the record,
Corporal Kropic, badge 775, City of Detroit Police Officer.
Good morning to you. And Officer Jenkins, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer Larry Jenkins, Detroit Police Department, 3rd Precinct.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And I don't know if it's a time where you can speak with this. I'm hoping that we'll pass that matter until we get Ms. Bradfield back in here. All right, are we ready on Lopez?
Ready, Judge.
¿Listos con el señor López? El abogado contestó que sí.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Juan Lopez Chavez. Mr. Lopez Chavez, do you understand? Did Mr. Warbling go over your other advice or rights with you?
Señor López Chávez, ¿discutieron con usted sus otros derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entiende esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any question about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta sobre esos derechos?
No.
No.
And you understand that if you take this deal, you're going to give up those rights?
¿Y usted entiende si usted pues accede a esta oferta, está rechazando esos derechos?
¿Cómo?
How is that?
Well, you're going to give them up by taking this deal. You have all those rights. You can go to trial, but once you take this deal, you're going to give up those rights Mr. Warbling discussed with.
Dice él que sí, usted tiene esos derechos, pero al declararse culpable ahora, pues ya no los tiene. ¿Entiende?
Oh, sí.
Okay, understood.
All right, I need you on the camera, sir.
Por favor, prenda su cámara.
All right, let me draw your attention back to June the 21st, 2022, at around 1:34 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Martin Street and Michigan Avenue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yo quiero que usted se acuerde del día 21 de junio del 2022, alrededor de la 1:25 de la mañana, por las calles Martin y Michigan. En esa fecha, esa hora, usted se encontró, tuvo un encuentro con un policía.
Sí.
Yes.
On that day, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Y ese día, ¿estaba usted manejando?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle, sir?
¿Y usted tenía alcohol en ese vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
Was the alcohol open?
¿Y estaba abierto la botella?
Sí, estaba abierto.
Yes, it was open.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
¿Qué clase de alcohol tenía ese día?
Era Modelo.
It was Modelo,
Okay, a beer.
cerveza.
Sí, es Modelo de cerveza.
Yeah, Modelo is a beer.
Okay. I'll find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. Keep in mind that if you don't complete drug court, then the offer is gonna revert. You're gonna lose the allowing, and it's gonna go back to the original charge of the guilty of open intox in a motor vehicle driver.
Ok, entonces yo voy a permitir que usted se declare culpable de un cargo rebajado que se llama dar permiso o permitir. Y si usted no termina el programa en la corte de sobriedad, entonces los cargos se volverían a hacer otra vez que usted tenía alcohol abierto cuando usted iba manejando.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so at this point, do you have Mr. Yancey, do you have a next action date for him to see Judge Holmes?
Señor Yancey, usted tiene la próxima fecha en la que él tiene que presentarse frente al juez Holmes.
Your Honor, at this time, I would say it would be May 16th at 9:45. The only reason it would be that far is because I know her schedule. And I might need that much time to gather some information from Mr. Lopez.
Ok, la fecha yo creo que va a ser el 16 de mayo, anótelo por favor si puede, señor, a las 9:45 de la mañana. Yo creo que yo necesito todo ese tiempo para poder obtener más información y preguntarle al señor López Chávez sobre su historia.
Okay, May
A las
16th. What I'm
el
gonna do
16 de
is
mayo, ¿de qué hora?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, both of you spoke at the same time. I think he was just reiterating the date and time.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is put you back in the breakout room, Mr. Yancey, and then you get the necessary information, and he'll be free to leave once you've taken over, because Mr. Judge Holmes will take over at this time.
Sí, la fecha es 16 de mayo a las 9:45, pero lo van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que el señor Yancey le pueda pedir la información que él necesite.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
And Judge, we already put on the record that the matter with Officer Harvey, that one has been dismissed.
Y los cargos que le puso el policía Harvey, eso ha sido ya anulado, sonoría.
At this time, I'm dismissing that matter for no officer.
Thank
Sí,
you, Judge.
vamos a quitar esos cargos porque el policía no se presentó, los otros cargos.
All right. I'll let you take over now, Mr. Yancey. You can make sure he knows his next action date in court and everything. Good luck to you, Mr. Chavez.
Buena suerte a usted,
Join
señor
breakout.
Chávez López. Vamos al cuarto privado número 6 otra vez.
Join the breakout room. Thank you, Ms. Cox, as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good rest of the day.
Can the interpreter come with us to the breakout
Yeah,
room?
I'm on my way.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Any luck on that offer for Garner?
Yes, Your Honor. I did speak with Ms. Walker. The
All right,
plea
hold on a
is if
second.
he.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Now, I've already called the cases into the record. Ms. Bradfield, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gardner. State your name again for the record, sir.
Justin Garden.
All right.
Your Honor,
Go ahead.
my client is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the recommendation of the people, which is if he was to plead to 2 of the license offenses, that they will be reduced down to failure to display a license and a dismissal of the ballot. Is that what you'd like to do today, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you went over his advice of rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir, you want to raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Bradfield went over some of your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights? You understood those rights, sir?
Yes, sir.
You have any question about those rights?
No, sir.
You know you're going to be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to July the 21st, 2021 at around 10:17 p.m. City of Detroit, area of Warren and Trumbull. You have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
That's one of the ones where the officer didn't show. No, that's it. That Jenkins show. Okay. Did that officer ask you, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do it, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I don't have a valid driver's license, sir.
All right. I'm gonna find your client guilty of that. Amended count of failure to display, $240 fine. Let me draw your attention back to November the 8th, 2021, 12:24 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Evergreen and 7 Mile. Do you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
That officer asked, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
That officer asked you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because I don't have a valid driver's license.
All right, very well. Find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display, $240 fine. Stipulates the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters. Per the plea in an 18-488-9531, I'll dismiss for no officer.
We stipulate the probable cause, Your Honor.
Okay. 240 plus, I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll be responsible for any reinstatement fees, which I only see one. 240 and 240, sir, when can you pay?
I could pay it by the end of May.
All right, I'm gonna give you till May 29th to pay it, all right?
All right, thanks.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, appreciate it.
All right, Corporate and Officer Jenkins, have a very good day. Good luck to you, and be safe out there, all right?
You too, sir.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Harmon, unmute yourself, please.
Yes,
You're back, ma'am. You got your matter taken care of, I see.
yes, I did.
Okay, what did you need from us?
I have a ticket with you as well.
I don't see one. I don't know. Let's see.
I have 4. Last judge took care of 3.
I don't understand why they didn't take care of that over there. I don't see anything in your name unless you have another name.
It could be under Sharice Galloway.
That would be the issue. With an O?
Galloway.
I don't know why they didn't do this over there. You have 5, 6 tickets with us. You got tickets everywhere. All right. Whoa, way more than that. All right, they're in warrant status. You got a lot of tickets. Where have you been all this time?
Not take care of my responsibilities.
There it is. Did you go and get married in between these time?
Yeah.
So she gets married, you could have potentially gotten arrested on your wedding day, huh? All right, we're just gonna get you back on another day. Let's call the case the City of Detroit versus Sharice Monique Galloway. Case number SP 1065179, counts 1, 2, and 3. One oh six 5215 counts 1, 2, and 3. Fourteen 4033471, 15 442853 counts 1 and counts 2. 17 389580 counts 1 and counts 2. 17 3919151. 18 5145671. 204008761. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Harmon. State your name for the record, or Ms. Galloway.
Sharice Harmon or Sharice Galloway.
Which one is it?
Now it's Sharice Harmon, but for the cases, it was Sharice Galloway.
For these cases, for the other cases, it was Sharice Harmon as well. All right. Okay, so that other case is taken care of. All right, what do you, let's go, Raymond on the bench warrants, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand muted away from her readings, Your Honor.
All right, not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. What are you gonna tell Ms. Galloway to come back for a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Galloway, do you have a valid license?
I do not.
I guess you're trying to get one of those as well, huh?
That is correct.
All right, do you have an ink pen, ma'am?
I do.
For SP 106 52-151, I'll allow you to pay reinstatement fee up front. On 18-514-5662, you're gonna have to pay that $288. Those are potentially, I don't know, with all these tickets, I don't know whether you've been doing in other jurisdictions or not, but they will potentially get you clearances, though they'll get you clearances here, and they could potentially get a valid license. Have you ever had a license before?
Yes, sir.
So try those. You gotta come down to the courthouse, pay that $45, and you can pay the $288 on the DivDat kiosk, where you can come down to the courthouse and pay that. Once you pay both of those, that one case is still gonna be open, but the other case will be closed out. Once you pay those, you wait 48 to 72 hours and go to the Secretary of State to see if they'll give you a license, okay?
Okay.
Come back July the 11th for a trial day. So,
What time?
the 28th. Well, 9 a.m., ma'am. All right.
Great, perfect.
All right, if there's nothing further, congratulations on the marriage, and hopefully you'll get this license and put behind you.
Yes, thank you so much.
All right, have a great day. Because the most innocent